I'm sweating, I'm sweating, I'm sweating. But you guys ever get sweat beads right around the nose? I don't sweat anywhere else in my face, but here. It's so weird. I don't get it. If you haven't noticed, I've got my hair in a bun because it's finally long enough. Yay! Today's video is going to be all about this spring-inspired makeup look. I'm going to be showing you guys techniques that I use, especially for people who have dry skin. It just makes your skin super dewy, glowy, and just flawless. I have been using some newer products, so I'm going to be showing you guys some of my new faves when it comes to beauty and skincare. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I recently started using the Vichy Mineral Blend Hydrating Foundation in color 06 Ochre. I love this because it gives the most natural coverage. It's infused with skincare ingredients that can really help hydrate the skin. It's 70% water-based and enriched with Vichy's mineralizing water. I just use my fingers to apply all over the face, and during the warmer months, I always go for a natural look. Glowing skin is what I love. If I can look like I'm not wearing any makeup, that's the goal. Next up, for concealer, I'll be using the Revlon Candid Antioxidant Concealer in Creme Brulee. Just a few swipes on each side, and then a bit on the nose, the T-zone, and the chin. Basically, anywhere where I want to highlight, I'll apply the concealer. This is infused with caffeine, antioxidants, anti-pollution, and anti-blue light properties. Taking my beauty blender, I'm going to gently blend this in. Tip: I find using a very damp blender helps make the concealer go on even better. Try using warmer water instead of cold. It makes the concealer blend so well, and once that's all in, our base is now done. To set my foundation and concealer in, I'll be taking my Marc Invisible Finish Line Perfecting Coconut Setting Powder and very lightly dust this all over the concealer areas. Don't apply too much as it can make you look cakey. A little goes a long way. Then I'm going to quickly curl the lashes with my Chiu curler and apply the Benefit Roller Lash to my lashes. This mascara is definitely one of my favorites. Why? The brush head gives short and straight lashes a beautiful curl and evenly distributes the mascara. My eyes look wider and more open. Next up, I'll be using the Burts Goodness Glows Liquid Makeup for my bronzer. To warm it up, I'm going to apply a bit on the top of my hand and use my IT Cosmetics No. 7 brush to blend this into the cheekbones, forehead, sides of the nose, and really just blend this in. This is one of my recent tricks, not using bronzing powder and using a darker shade foundation for contouring. Taking that same approach, I'm going to use the Kiss Luscious Shine lipstick and apply on the tops of the hands again, and use the same brush to apply this to the cheeks for the most natural rosy blush. Giving it a quick clean first before applying so the colors don't mix. I am loving this approach to applying bronzer and blush. And lastly, for the lips, I'll be applying the BH Cosmetics Cashmere Cream Comfort Lipstick in Yes. I think that's how you say it. I want to say it with a little bit more emphasis, but yes, that's what it is. It really does feel super smooth on the lips. It's lightweight, color-rich, and has a creamy matte finish. I also love how this color just completes this spring-inspired makeup look. And here it is, the finished look. Comment below with a unicorn emoji if you'd wear this look too. Alright guys, so this is my spring-inspired makeup tutorial. Very quick, very easy. I hope you guys like the techniques that I used in this video, especially when it comes to dry skin, because I personally have dry skin, and sometimes when I use a lot of powders or powder blushes and powder bronzers, it can kind of look a little ashy, but with this technique, especially with blush and bronzer, it just makes you look flawless, like you just came from a vacation, and that's what I'm all about, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I also want to let you guys know that I have been thinking about sprinkling in some other videos throughout the week. I just want to possibly make more videos that are more personal, more vlog style, just everyday things. So if you guys want to see those things, I would love to hear from you, so make sure you comment below and let me know. Other than that, I love you guys, be nice to one another, and enjoy every day that you have. I will see you all very soon in my next one. Bye for now.